Assalamu alaikum. I am Javed Iqbal and you are watching Iqbal Virtual Academy. Today we are going to install Windows 7 on Virtualbox. So how to install Windows 7? Let's do it. You have to open Virtualbox first, then click on new to create a new virtual machine and type name Windows 7 64-bit. Let's select 32-bit. Okay, next. Yeah, it's okay. Next, create. You have to create a hard disk too. 25 GB is too much. 10 GB is okay. 10.98 GB, approximately 11 GB, it's okay enough. Create. Windows 7 machine is created now. What you have to do, if 95 Windows selected, 98 or Ubuntu or Linux or Windows 2000, anyone, so we have to select our new machine, which is Windows 7. Then click on setting, then click on storage, then click on the DVD or CD drive of your virtual machine. Click it and then click on choose a file. Choose your ISO file. This is a Windows 7 ISO file. Select and click open. Click OK and then start your machine. After some time your installation will be start. Wait for a minute or two. So there we go, our installation is window is starting window. So this is the first screen of Windows 7 installation. You have to select your language to install. English, it's okay. Time and currency format, English United States, okay, fine. Okay, US, click next. If you want to make changes, you can. I don't want to make changes right now, but if you want, you can. It's okay to me. So this is a step. You have to write that step, that select your language and time and currency format and keyboard input method. Click next and click on install, and here we go. So easy. But for all the 80 students, all of you, you have to write the steps in your paper. This is also a step. For example, if I'm writing this step on paper, so what you have to do, you have to write that accept the line says I agree with all these things. Okay, you have to read it carefully and then click on accept. Yes, accept. By accepting mean I agree with all these conditions, these things. Okay, click next. Now this is also a step. Upgrade. If you have an old version of Windows, for example Windows 98 or Windows 95 or Windows XP, and you want to upgrade your previous version to a new one, you have to click on upgrade. Otherwise, if you want to install a fresh Windows 7, click on custom advance. Then 11 GB hard disk, which we created for our virtual machine, so it's okay. Click next, and there we go, installation is start. So I have to skip it for a while. Just wait. 98% completed. Windows 7 is approximately 98% completed. After expanding window files, the next step is installing features, installing updates, and completing installation. So it is 100% completed. Now installing updates, you have to wait for it. Okay, done. Now completing installation. So there we go, restarting our window. We have to restart it now. If you want to restart it now, click on it, otherwise it will automatically restart now. So the steps: To install Windows 7, follow the following steps. Insert Windows 7 DVD into the DVD-ROM. Click F2. Go to BIOS setup. Every computer have their own BIOS setup shortcut key, and the key may be from F1 to F12 commonly. F1, F2, or maybe F3, or maybe F4, depending upon the board of your computer. Okay, the setting of your computer. In some computer, Dell is used to open BIOS. Sorry. Once you open the BIOS setup, search for booting device. BIOS mean basic input output system. Okay. Note, every system have different BIOS setup interface. The interface of BIOS setup is not same. It may be different from the previous one. So time to time it is changing the interface of the BIOS setup. So you have to search for booting device, and that's all. When you boot your computer from DVD, a black screen will appear, as I told you, for a while. Press any key before the black screen disappear. It will show you dots like that: 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, and 5 dot. Before the 5th dot, you have to click any key, otherwise it will not boot from your DVD or CD. So you have to take care of these things. Okay, press any key before the black screen disappear. Now a starting window screen will appear. Wait for a while. Okay, starting window. It's so easy to install Windows 7. It's not that typical. If you people know about how to operate virtual machine, so you have to try all these operating system. For example, let me show you. For example, XP 10, 2000 server, Linux, Ubuntu, Windows 98, 95, and all these other Windows. Inshallah, I will tell you about all these operating system step by step in Urdu lecture as well as in Pashto lecture, but you have to try it to know all these operating system better. In all, you know about all the features of any operating system, you have to use virtual machine, Virtualbox. So let's type Javed Iqbal. This is Javed Iqbal PC. Okay, next. No, I don't want to set my password. No, I don't have a product key. Don't worry about it, ask me later. It's okay to me. You have to change it from Canada to Islamabad. Okay, let's find it. Islamabad and Karachi. There, Islamabad and Karachi. Islamabad and Karachi. Click on next. There is no skip option, so what you have to just click on home network. It will take few seconds and it will disappear automatically then. So this is also a step of installing Windows 7. All the steps are here. Okay, press any key before the black screen disappear. Now starting Windows screen will appear. Wait for a while. After a few minutes you will see the first dialog box. In this dialog box you can change language, time and date, keyboard input method. After changing the original setting, click next and click install, as we did. Accept the licenses and click next. Select upgraded window or custom advanced. Note, upgrade option use to upgrade your old window, and custom advanced setup use for new installation, as I told you. Okay, so computer is preparing your desktop. Your desktop is prepared. Now you are ready to operate your Windows 7, and this is your Windows 7. Let's personalize it. I wanna see these icons: my computer, user files, network, and control panel. in my desktop. So click all of them and click apply, click OK, and now you are ready to play with the Windows 7. Windows 7 start menu, Windows 7 my computer, Windows 7 control panel. Okay, I hope you understand me. Thank you for watching. This is a virtual machine. If I close it just like that, I can, but you have to properly shut down your computer just like that. Click on shut down. Okay, so it will shut down. So this is a Windows 7 installation for you. Inshallah, in next coming lecture I will tell you about all the operating system, inshallah ta'ala. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share, and sorry for any mistake in my English, but I will try my level best to speak as best as I can. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.